Hey everyone, quick heads up before we get into this. If you've seen an ad on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram for something called IQ Blast Pro, take a deep breath and don't click anything yet. These ads are slick, they look official, and they're paid for, sometimes by people who shouldn't be allowed to buy trust. Social media platforms take money for these ads and then act like it's nothing, so the scam gets to look real before you even read a word. The ad funnels you to shady pages looks like of news and health. And the moment you land there, it's a red flag farm. Big logos from the New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, even fake CNN clips, and famous faces plastered everywhere. They'll say Dr. Sanjay Gupta or Tom Hanks or even Bruce Willis talked about this. They'll talk about a honey trick or some simple recipe that will reverse memory loss. That sounds comforting if you or someone you love struggles with dementia, but it's a trap. None of those endorsements are real. What they do is heavy-duty manipulation. Fake news-style videos with AI-generated audio and deepfake visuals. You'll see blurred, emotional testimonials, someone crying about losing their dad to memory loss, then the same person praising this miracle 2 weeks later. There's a lot of production value, music, dramatic cuts, a slow progress bar that's designed to keep you watching, but it's all theater. Celebrities and respected doctors are named or shown without their permission. That's not journalism, that's deception. They push a story about a natural cure and make it sound like mainstream medicine is hiding a secret. The script will say something like, neuroscientists worldwide are calling this the greatest leap forward in brain health, and they'll toss out dramatic stats like 97% saw improvements. But when you look closer, where's the study? What university published this? Who is the manufacturer? And where is the peer-reviewed data? Those answers are almost always missing because they don't exist. They'll show a money-back guarantee badge on the page, and you might breathe easier thinking there's no risk. Don't. These guarantee claims are often meaningless. No real company name, no address, no verifiable contact information, and fine print that makes refunds practically impossible. Another common trick is the FDA-approved label. That's another lie you can't trust on these pages. The FDA approval process is public and verifiable. If a product really were FDA approved for treating or reversing Alzheimer's or dementia, it would be huge news in reputable medical outlets, not buried in a flashy sales funnel. When a site claims FDA approved with no paperwork, no company listed, and no lot numbers or batch info on the bottle, it's a red flag. Then there's the not available on Amazon or Walmart line, which is used to create urgency and exclusivity. They'll tell you this is only sold on their site, so you have to act now. In reality, third-party sellers on Amazon or Walmart could carry similar supplements, but even if they don't, that doesn't make this product legitimate. Also, there are several user reviews on Amazon, and mostly people call it as a scam. I know hearing all this can feel cynical, especially because these ads prey on real fear and real hope. If you or a family member are dealing with Alzheimer's, dementia, or memory problems, I'm not here to sell skepticism for the sake of it. I'm here to tell you the right next step. See a licensed doctor, talk to a neurologist, and use treatments that have been tested in peer-reviewed research. Recipes and two-ingredient fixes that promise miracles in weeks aren't how real medical breakthroughs are validated. If you've already ordered, check your card statements and the email receipt carefully. Contact your bank or card issuer and ask about chargeback options if the company is unresponsive. Save all correspondence, screenshots, and order confirmation numbers. And if the charge was recurring, report it and ask the bank to stop future payments. So is IQ Blast Pro legit or a scam? Based on what we just walked through, fake celebrity endorsements, manufactured news clips, no clear company info, bogus FDA and guarantee claims, AI-generated images and reviews, and manipulative checkout tricks, this looks like a scam. It's designed to take advantage of people who are desperate for help, and that's about as low as advertising gets. If you found this video useful, share it with anyone who might be targeted by similar ads. Scammers rely on silence and shame. Talking about it cuts a lot of their power.